आराम से जावे।
So we finally get to rolling.
हाँ चल ना, वो सब बाद में, पहले लेके तो जाओ। चल देखें कैसा लग रहा है। नो साउंड
लगा ही नहीं क्यों गए।
दादा इधर ही ना, इधर ही
So
ना।
we finally get to ride the new Suzuki E-Axis. It feels. खाओ में।
पीछे पीछे वहाँ पे देयर शेड हो दे देना इसको। हाँ वहाँ पे छाव में लेना। अरे माँ कसम, बस बस। हाँ ये है ना, ये छाव।
कैसा लग रहा है तुझे सुबह बाइक चलाने के बाद ये गाड़ी? कैसा लगा नया खिलौना?
सुपर है यार।
हाँ,
मेरे लिए थोड़ा छोटा है, मतलब मेरे पैर वगैरह के लिए।
चलो लो द वीडियो।
अच्छा, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. आज हमारे पास we have a very cool scooter to talk about. This is the Suzuki E-Axis and we've got time to actually spend with this and give you a quick review about it. Yash, what do you think about the design?
I just rode it and super nimble, super agile. And the one thing I noticed that it has two ride modes for a scooter, which is amazing. It has an eco mode and a drive mode, which you can set accordingly.
So this scooter comes in 3 colors and it gets dual tone. So you get this blue and grey sort of a setup. But the beauty about this scooter, Yash, is the battery pack. Tell them about the battery pack.
So the battery pack is IP67 tested and rated. It's puncture free. Also, it has auto cut charging, so your battery won't overheat while charging. And I think in one charge it goes up to 95 kilometers.
Correct.
Which is good for a scooter.
It also gets this very cool 4.2 inch screen. It gives you all the details. So it's giving you your battery status. It's giving you other modes in terms of what is your, we've not switched it on. But yes, it will give you the speed. It will give you all the other details.
Yeah.
One of the cooler things about this scooter is it comes with a side stand and it also gets a center stand. So that's an added advantage. Yash?
So I think 60 km is the highest speed of the top speed of the bike. So it has a very good display. It shows a battery percentage. It shows a different ride modes if I change it. So now it's ready to engage. It doesn't work. It has auto cut off side stand. Horn is pretty good as well.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
Comes with a USB charging port, hook, and let's open the boot and just check it how much space it has.
While Yash is doing that, I'll tell you some details about the battery pack. This battery pack is literally military grade tested, submerged test. There's an anti-puncture test. Everything comes. So this is a pure Suzuki Japanese technology bike, not like some of those brands that catch on fire. We're pretty sure that won't happen. This is the siren that you're getting is because we've opened the seat. And Yash obviously has not been able to figure out how to switch it off.
Yeah.
So bata,
So it has space, decent space for a single helmet and some of your personal belongings. It comes with a mini toolkit and pretty good space. I think this is the battery pack. And yeah, pretty much good space for a scooter. It's amazing.
Yeah, एक बार seat बंद कर दे. It's shut. No, just shut the seat, bro. Yeah. So the seat shuts quite easily. Yash obviously is planning to spoil the video with some sounds, but the cushioning is really nice. Nice wide seat. If you can see it, Aniket ऊपर से दिखा सकता है. तो look at the width of the seat. Somebody who's even on the heavier side and who's a little larger can definitely ride this bike.
And I think if this is an Indian scooter, 3 people can easily hold it.
वो तो होने ही वाला है. वो तो होने ही वाला है. 3 लोग तो बैठेंगे, तो 3 लोग आराम से बैठ सकते हैं, पर मत बैठना. Apart from that, this bike, like we said, the on-road price of the bike is 1,90,000 rupees. And if you go to a Suzuki showroom, you might just get some benefits as well. So you should go to a Suzuki showroom. Although this bike has a top speed of what, 60, 70 kilometers per hour.
Is a top speed.
I think it goes faster. We should check that, but it is really powerful in the low end. So it really picks up fast and it goes fast as well.
Yeah, being an electric, it has good torque.
Correct.
So the battery component is 3 kilowatt LFP, which is lithium iron phosphate battery. So this component makes this battery super sturdy and super reliable. Also, it has a charging time from 0 to 100 in around 2 hours, which gives you 95 kilometers of range.
So when you look at the front of the scooter, you get a complete LED setup. The headlight is LED, the tail light is also LED, and you get this DRL, which is very cool. The placement is very unique. and it gets a maintenance-free battery. So that's another added advantage.
So being a scooter, obviously it might have some kind of cost cutting. So you have front disc brake and rear drum brakes. Could be equipped with 2 discs, but okay, it's a scooter, so you don't require that much of a performance. So one more cool feature, like a lot of electric bikes, this comes with a reverse gear. So I'll just turn it on, and it's electronically limited to a certain speed, but does the job.
Whoa. जाना और पीछे जाना, थोड़ा दिखाना. जाते रहे.
See you guys.
हाँ, see you guys. Yeah.
A few moments later.
जा.
हो गया, बस हो गया.
जाना और.
बाइक प्लीज बोल
the video here. जाना पीछे.
TFT में आ रहा है यार.
जाना पीछे. Okay guys, so that was our review on the Suzuki e-Access. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. But this is definitely something, this is something definitely you should look out for. It's a very cool scooter. Come, we'll do the end. That's how the bike looks.
That's the acceleration.
How Yash looks on the bike. Please tell us how he looks in the comment. We'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Ciao. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very cool e-scooter to show you. Yash.
We already did the welcome back to the channel. We're doing the.
When did we do welcome
We
back
did
to
it
the
inside,
channel?
no?
No, we didn't do it for this. That was your vertical. Wait, let him record. हाँ. धीरे.
Almost there.
Surprise!
Wow, Suzuki e-Access!
Yes!
Wow.
Yeah.
पर इसकी बैटरी?
Let's go!
Nice. Wow. It's hot outside, na?
Suzuki e-technology inside.
Sab all right?
Suzuki e-technology inside.
Amazing ride.
वही सुजुकी का सालों का भरोसा अब इलेक्ट्रिक में.
Oh.
Long life commitment.
Just like our Suzuki e-Access.
Introducing the all-new Suzuki e-Access with Suzuki e-technology. Engineered for long life with LFP battery, tested for extreme temperatures and unpredictable weather conditions. Enjoy superior ride with long years of battery life.